What's up, YouTube? I want to do a short video and how to maintain your speed while driving when you're learning to drive, new drivers, how to maintain your speed. Before I get into the video though, I would love you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I post a video. But yeah, I get this question a lot, you know, when I'm teaching my student, they have a really hard time maintaining a certain speed. You know, they're going too fast or they're going too slow. Always a struggle, and they struggle with this for a while. So I'm just gonna give you a simple tip, really, on how to maintain your speed. So, you know, the most basic tip really is to press very gradually on the gas pedal, you know, and you ease up off the gas pedal and you press the gas pedal, you know, to try to keep an even speed. You know, you will press on it. I'll give you an idea. So you would press on the gas, and when you get to the speed that you're trying to go to, so you're trying to go 30 miles per hour, when you get to 30, you will ease up a little bit, and as it drops below 30, you will press again. Right? You will press the gas a little bit till you get to the speed that you're trying to go to. Gradually get to the speed that you're trying to go to. And then you will try to maintain that same level. Keep your foot in that exact spot where, you know, your speed is at the speed, your desired speed, whether it's 30 or 40 or 50 or whatever the speed limit is. When you get to that speed, try to keep your foot in that exact spot. If it goes above the speed that you're trying to go, then you will ease up off the gas a little bit. And as it goes below it, you will press the gas a little bit. So you press and release the gas pedal very gradually each time to maintain a certain speed. Like you don't press hard, because if you press hard on the gas, you're gonna go way above where you're trying to go. And when you let it go, if you let it all the way go, you're gonna drop way below the speed that you're trying to go. So the key really is to just give very light pressure on the gas, and, you know, let go and press the gas, and let go and press the gas. Very small increments, actually. You know what I mean? You don't press hard. Press very lightly on the gas and release the gas and press lightly on the gas again to maintain the speed. And it's going to take some practice before you get it, because, you know, it's not as easy as it sounds to just keep your foot at one level to maintain the speed. Once you're driving for a while, it actually gets pretty easy. For me, you know, I can maintain the speed without even thinking about it. But that said, I'm teaching people every day, and I realize it's really not as easy as it is to me. You know what I mean? I drive around, I don't think about, you know, I drive whatever speed I want to drive. It's pretty easy to drive at whatever speed I desire. But, you know, being a driving instructor, you see people struggle with that on a daily basis, right? So, you know, I felt like I needed to do this video because I get asked that consistently, actually. How do you maintain a certain speed? Well, again, that is how you do it. You try to press gradually on the gas, try to keep your foot at keep a certain pressure on the gas pedal. When you get to the speed, you try to not press anymore. If it goes above, you release a little bit. If it goes below, you press a little bit. All right? I hope that's been helpful. That is, you know, pretty much all that there is to maintaining your speed. With practice, you'll get good at it. All right? Thank you for watching the video. Again, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you can get the videos. You can be notified whenever I post. All right? Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.